So that's Joel Bryan on screen. Lives and trains here in Jamaica.
This is Demario Prince, the fastest Jamaican this season from Baylor University.
Yeah, man, a 13.15 man.
Lane 4, Charvis Simmons from Clemson University.
13.37 this season.
Lane number 5, the veteran campaigner, the two-time national champion, Tokyo Olympics gold medalist, Hansle Parchment.
Is that Grace Kennedy on his chest on one side and PUMA on the other? That's when you have arrived, when you have two sponsors on your chest.
In lane 6, it's LaFrance Campbell.
Another seasoned campaigner.
Lane 7, we have got Shaquane Gordon.
You might remember him from Calabar, Daniel.
Yes, former Calabar man, now represented Adidas.
Shaquane, also a bit of a sprinter, a 100-meter man as well, but focusing on the hurdles right now. So that means there's no Brandon Harris out there. 6 men facing the starter.
And no Rasheem Brown, who was listed for lane 1.
And viewers, in terms of time, we're looking at about 35, depending on the wind. Mentioned to you that the lights have just been turned on inside the National Stadium. I think some pixie dust falls on the stadium track, Daniel, when the lights come on. Some magic happens and the athletes just start running faster.
Well, let's see. The wind usually gets calmer as well.
So 10 hurdles, 6 hurdlers, 42 inches for each hurdle. Demario Prince, lane 3. I'd say the fastest Jamaican this year. Hansle Parchment, the veteran.
Semi-final 1 for the men. Off they go. Prince, out and about. Parchment, as usual, will have to run his best race from behind. Demario Prince in the ascendancy. Prince in the ascendancy. Shaquane Gordon is finishing late, but Prince will get there ahead of Charvis Simmons. 13:37 is the flash time for the winner of semi-final 1 in the men's 110-meter hurdles. Demario Prince, officially, it's now 13.38 seconds.
A really competent time with a negative 2.8 wind. And that's Demario Prince. He's won it. He's gone to the final. I said Prince got perhaps the best start. Hansle perhaps the worst. And Prince would never be challenged, really. Kept pushing ahead. And we'd see Shaquane Gordon looking really good outside in lane number 7. And may just have gotten up for second place, 13:51, and Simmons 13:52.
Yeah, no challenge there for Prince. Led from start to finish. 13:38 into a negative 2.8 meters per second headwind. So pixie dust effect not kicking in yet, Bruce.
13:71 for Hansle Parchment in 5th, sitting on the bubble.
So Demario Prince 13.38, Shaquane Gordon 13.51, Charvis Simmons 13.52 seconds. The top 3 there, sealing automatically.